I am Mr. J. Hello. Today we're talking about maybe aliens, or at least alien life. That's interesting. It's our advanced video for Thursday, April the 17th, 2025, centered around Paris, France. And I think this is D for debatable. I don't know if it's really good news or bad news. Well, debatable news, right? That's what your opinion is. Are we alone? It looks like there's some chemistry in this AI pic too, if you know chemistry. Let's go over to our word list first of all. So we have hints, life, dimethyl sulfide, methane, extra terrestrial, long word, right? Habitable. Lots of difficult words, science words, right? We have Hycean, sorry, that's a hard one. Hycean, hydrogen, observations, hot, lava, turning. We have leads, telescope, and zone. Okay. Astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope found hints of possible life on K2-18b, a distant planet 124 light years away. If this turns out to be true, they'll have to change the name to something more catchy. They detected signs of dimethyl sulfide and methane, chemicals sometimes linked to extraterrestrial activity. K2-18b is a habitable zone. It's in a habitable zone and may be a Hycean planet, meaning it could have an ocean, Hycean, and a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. However, more observations are needed to confirm. Some scientists warn it may be too hot, possibly covered in lava, while others feel this is a turning point in the search for life. It's one of the strongest leads yet, so that's exciting, maybe, if you like aliens. What did astronomers find on planet K2-18b? Which telescope was used to study the planet? What is special about K2-18b's location? What chemical did scientists detect, and why are some scientists doubtful? All right, today's word of the day, pop. This is, it shows both pictures, right? The dance pop and the other non-dance pop. So let's see, dance pop. It's a sudden tensing and releasing of muscles to create a jerky movement, especially in popping dance style. Pop, pop, pop. I don't know, it's maybe go pop, pop, like this. I don't know, you can't really see me move. If you dance, maybe you know what I'm talking about, right? A dance pop. All right, let's see, what else do we have? The non-dance pop. The non-dance pop is a small exposure or loud sound, or to burst suddenly, right? So pop has lots of different meanings, but you should know two, okay? The two we talked about. The pronunciation's easy enough. It's just pop, pop. I'm going to use this, right? The spelling is here, but just so you can reinforce this, the pronunciation, we have pop, pop, just like that. One syllable. He hit every beat with a clean pop and sharp control, and the balloon suddenly popped and scared everyone. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. Weather for Friday, April the 18th. All right. In Seoul, there's a high of 17, a low of 6, and it will be cloudy with light rain. In Beijing, China, high of 24, a low of 10, and it will be patchy. There will be patchy rain nearby, so it's like partly rainy, right? And what else? We have Tokyo, Japan, with a high of 24, a low of 15, and there will be sun through high clouds. That's very descriptive, right? Okay, so we talked about our weather, we talked about pop, and we talked about maybe aliens out there somewhere, or at least alien life, microbes, something. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the news, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow. Yay!